top 10 cutest cats breed in the world. Cats are the most loving animals around, but some are so cute that impossible to stop hugging them. Get ready for the following most adorable cats breed. 10. Munchkin. The Munchkin breed is one of the cutest breed because of their unique personalities. They slightly resemble with Persian and have a medium plush coat. The Munchkin loves to embrace and play, and while they are playful and naughty, they are also known as one of the excellent hunters. Fighting is one of their favorite activities. 9. Himalayan. Many of us remember the adorable Himalayan who portrayed Sassy in the classic film Homeward Bound, and these cats are every bit as intelligent and cheeky as she was. Their large eyes gives them a very innocent facial expression and will say no to their pitiful faces that they have been known to make. They are good-natured pets who you will enjoy having in your home. 8. Bengal. This loving sly looks much like a leopard, and their spots is just one of the many attributes that makes them one of the cutest cat breeds. The Bengal looks wild, and as their appearance would indicate, they are very playful animals who enjoy running and jumping. They are easily trained by pet owners, very sincere, and while they are quite energetic, their intelligence makes them very easy to handle. 7. Abyssinian. This breed of cat is from ancient Egypt, and their appearance only serves to mask their inherent cuteness. They are athletic and able to jump very high. Their long, lean, muscular bodies are with almond-shaped eyes that allow them to get away with the occasional moment of destruction. The Abyssinian is easily to train in home, and they love to play games. 6. Turkish Angora. The Turkish Angora has a silky tail. They come in a wide range of different colors, and their intelligence makes them highly interactive. Their eyes also vary between amber and blue. If you are the type of pet owner who loves to have a cat in your house, the Turkish Angora makes for a great and adorable companion to spend your days with. 5. Maine Coon. A much larger cat than many of the others, the Maine Coon's terrible size makes them different, yet beautiful. They are joyous animals who love to play tricks on their owners, so you'll have to get up pretty early in the morning to get one over on them. They'll do everything from playing dead to act like bird noises to get your attention. 4. Persian. Their soft fur and lazy nature makes the Persian a great cat breed for owners. They're not big on roaming around, and as long as they have a nice, soft basket to sleep in, they are happy. The Persian's beautiful hair makes them more suited to indoor play, and you will have hours and hours of fun with them. 3. Ragdoll. The Ragdoll's soft and limp body tends to disguise the fact that they can grow to a size of up to 20 pounds. They are best described as a lovable lout, and while they are sizable cats, they are also very sensitive. You will fall head over heels for the cuteness of the Ragdoll. Just be sure not to leave them alone in dangerous situations, as they have zero ability to protect themselves. 2. Manx. The Manx cat lovers are quite taken by their beauty. A Manx is easy to spot because of their lack of tail. They are more likely to develop a long-term attachment to their owners when they take the time to play with them and build a stronger bond. They are the creatures who thrive in living situations where they are surrounded by people who love them and want to spend time with them. 1. Siamese. The Siamese cat just might be the cutest cat breed of all. They take the concept of adorable to a whole new level, with beautiful blue eyes. Their bodies are sleek and tender to the touch, and while they do like to whine like babies from time to time, you will have a very hard time denying them whatever it is that they want.